Old Harbour High is represented by Michael Powell, Jonathan Williams, Richard Simpson, and Theo Carr. St. George's College is represented by Cavell Morris, Jelani Grant, Kevoy Ellis, and Jerome Hales. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello, everyone. Welcome to round 2 of TVJ Schools Challenge Quiz 2025. I'm your host, Marlene Stevenson Daly. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, the temperament to move to the next round? This is the opening challenge, and in this section, teams will be asked questions alternately. They'll receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss and St. George's College won. They decided to go first, and so we will begin with St. George's College. The section lasts for 4 minutes, so let's have the time on the clock, please. St. George's, we begin with English language. Give a 5-letter word starting with Q, which means a long and arduous search for something.
A query.
Query.
Incorrect. Quest. English language, Old Harbour High. Give a 6-letter word starting with S, which means thinly dispersed or scattered.
Sparse.
Correct. International affairs for St. George's. Look at the monitor, identify which country's flag is displayed.
Yes.
Austria.
No.
Latvia.
Correct. International affairs, Old Harbour. Look at the monitor, identify which country's flag is displayed.
Serbia.
Correct. General knowledge for St. George's. What is the official unit of currency of Venezuela?
United States dollar.
Incorrect. The Bolivar or Venezuelan Bolivar. General knowledge for Old Harbour High. What is the official currency in Ecuador?
Quetzal.
Incorrect. The US dollar. Geography for St. George's. What is the name of the outer solid part of the earth which consists of the crust and the underlying mantle?
Lithosphere.
Correct. Geography for Old Harbour. What is the name of the process which shapes the earth's crust and part of the underlying mantle?
It's like plate tectonics.
Correct. Music for St. George's. Listen to the clip. Correct. Charlie Puth. And music, Old Harbour. Listen to this clip. Identify the singer.
Like Lord knows, 20 of them in my Chevy. Tell them all to come and get me, reaping everything I sow. So my karma come in heaven. No
Kendrick Lamar.
Correct. Chemistry for St. George's. What color does blue litmus paper turn when it comes in contact with acid?
Acid, so it's turning
Red.
Correct. Chemistry for Old Harbour. What color does red litmus paper turn under alkaline conditions?
It turns blue.
Blue.
Correct. St. George's Theatre and Cinema. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor.
Actor.
Paul Dempsey.
Incorrect. Viggo Mortensen. Theatre and Cinema for Old Harbour. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Gary Cooper.
Incorrect. Gary Oldman. Mathematics for St. George's College. The area of a trapezium is 40 centimeters squared. If the parallel sides are of lengths 6 centimeters and 10 centimeters, what is the shortest distance between these sides?
60. So 8.
5
centimeter.
Correct. Mathematics, Old Harbour. Given that the diagonals of a rhombus are of lengths 10 centimeters and 7 centimeters, what is the area of the rhombus?
7 centimeters.
21 centimeters square.
Incorrect. 35 centimeters squared. Sports. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Alright. Who that?
Wait. Ricky Pointing.
I believe that should be Ricky Ponting. Sports for Old Harbour. Look at the monitor. Identify this person.
Let's go with Scotty Scheffler.
Scotty Scheffler.
Incorrect. Steve Waugh. History for St. George's. What other name is given to the War of 1812?
1812. Anglo-British War. Anglo-British War.
Anglo-British War.
Incorrect. Madison's War or the Second War of Independence. History for Old Harbour. Which global conflict was called the Great War and the war to end all wars?
World War One. World War One.
Correct. Physics. And that bell brings us to the end of the opening challenge. The scores at this time are Old Harbour High on 6 and St. George's College on 4. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Schools Challenge Quiz 56 returns right after these messages.